Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix 5G option not showing on iOS 16.2. So first of all, open your device settings, then turn on airplane mode. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds, then you can turn it off again. Check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, remove your SIM card from your phone and wait for some time. Then, reinsert your SIM card on your iPhone. Check again if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, open your device settings, then scroll down to battery. Tap on that and make sure the low power mode is turned off. Check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, open your device settings, go to General, and tap on Software Update. Make sure to update your phone to the latest iOS version. Check if it fixed the issue. But if it doesn't, open your device settings, then scroll down to General. Tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset Network Settings. Provide your passcode, then tap on Reset Network Settings. Wait for some time and hopefully this will fix the issue. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.